Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobiyeng jongpi.
See, for the last 2 years, if the BADP program or the projects are not taken up, what is the border area department?
MLA jangka Mawsynram constituency uba Himalaya Muktan Shangpliang hagasiba ar ka arfulai tarik unailar arajar arfu ar ulapan pau ya kajing ngau dukhaman sim ya karukam terikam jangka Tnat border area development bahadian Snem kamshim lala satia ban Mang watang kawairu ka project. Hagajing ekran bagilat patai kubor uba Shangpliang ulaong baka don ka skim jangka sarkar pedeng ya kabala tip kerteng kum ka border area development program ya kabala mang pisada ka Ministry of Home Affairs jangka sarkar pedeng. Henry ka pasmusi kalong ba wat hadin Snem kamshim ladon satia kanu ka project ban Mang leng baka Tnat border area development.
I would like to express my disappointment about the functioning of the border area development in the government of Meghalaya, to the fact that in the last 2 years, that is from 21-22 to 22-23, not a single project have been sanctioned under the border area development program. There is a centrally sponsored program called the BADP, Border Area Development Program, which is sanctioned and sponsored by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Now the sad thing here is that for the last 2 years, not a single project has been sanctioned. I tried my best to find out the reason why, and I tried to speak to the secretary in charge border area. I tried to speak to the director border area. I could not get a satisfactory reply. The department tells me that they have submitted all the papers required to Government of India, though at the state level, committee has already cleared all the projects that have been submitted by various MLAs and from various constituencies. I myself have submitted a proposal to the tune of almost 2 crores for 21-22, again for another 2 crores for 22-23. Now we have just 6 months away from our elections. The people of our area who are in the international border are complaining of not receiving any developmental schemes under the border area. I am totally dismayed by the way that the government is reacting on this whole matter in the last assembly, and I was assured by the minister in charge border areas that the matter will be taken up with the Government of India and we should be getting the funds at the earliest. Now 6 months have gone, not a single penny has come. I do not understand why is the delay and what is the wrong that these sanctions have not been cleared by the Government of India. Though unofficially I got the information that the Government of India has not cleared these projects due to non-submission of utilization certificate by the state government. Now when funds have been released by the Government of India, appropriate state shares should have been matched by the state government, and whether the state shares have been given or not, it is the state government to answer, and whether the utilization certificates have been submitted to the Ministry of Home Affairs, that is also for the government to answer. Now the people should not suffer due to the negligence of the department or for not submission of necessary documents and papers to the Government of India. Therefore, I urge upon the government, and I also request the Honorable Chief Minister to look into this matter personally and see where is the backlog and why is there a delay in the implementation of the border area development programs. We would not like to see further delays here. This matter is serious. Roads, bridges, school buildings, community halls, and many other projects are all pending. So therefore, we would like to see that the government comes up with an immediate action on this matter and sort out this problem so that our people living in the border areas do not suffer any further. See, for the last 2 years, if the BADP program or the projects are not taken up, what is the border area department doing there? The border area department has been created for this particular purpose. Then what are the officers doing for the last 2 years? What is the problem faced by the department that they have not been able to get the funds from Government of India? So these are a lot of unanswered questions, where I need answers to these questions. Then what is the department doing there? The last funds that we received was in 2018-19, which I think they have implemented. I have few figures with me. Then again in 2019-20, they did get certain amount of projects cleared. Then in 2021, out of 13 projects in my area, only 6 projects have been cleared and 7 projects are still pending. So now 21, 22, 22 projects were submitted, and out of 22, all 22 are pending. In 2023, 28 projects were submitted, and all are still pending. So now that means my officer, who is a BADO, he's just sitting idle. I called him one day and said, "What are you doing?" He said, "Sir, I have no work to do because nothing is in my hand. Everything is with the government, everything is with my director." So this is the state of situation here that we have with this border area development department.